First up, the Canon EOS R50. This mirrorless camera boasts impressive features, including 4K video recording, a 24.1 megapixel sensor, and dual pixel autofocus. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it ideal for vlogging on the go. Now let's talk lenses. The Canon RF 16mm f2.8 STM is a game changer. With its ultra-wide 16mm focal length, you will capture breathtaking landscapes, interiors, and cityscapes. Plus, the fast f2.8 aperture ensures great low-light performance. This lens is lightweight and perfect for travel vlogging. Whether you're exploring bustling streets or shooting in tight spaces, the RF 16mm delivers stunning image quality. Sound matters as well. The Røde Go II directional video mic is your audio companion. It's compact, attaches easily to your camera, and provides clearly directional sound and say goodbye to unwanted background noises. And finally, stability also matters. A small tripod is essential for your steady shots. Look for one that's lightweight and portable and easy to set up. It'll keep your vlogs shake-free even when you're vlogging solo. So let's try to assemble these things here. Let's start with... So here it is, put together, and it will look like this. I see now that I have forgotten something. If we want sound from this microphone, we also need to attach the microphone wire, which is a 3.5mm jack cable, and on the R50 we will have the microphone entrance on the left side of the camera, and we'll just put it in right there, and it has this opposite jack entrance right here, and if you want this wire to go a little away, you can put it just behind there. So well, this you can of course have standing like this when on a table if you want to film yourself from a steady shot, or if you are on the go, you can of course just get those legs together and we'll use it as a selfie stick like this. And of course the R50 has this flip screen that you can monitor yourself right here. So, well, is there more to say about this one? I think it's a nice vlogging kit, and it's not really expensive. It's of course a little more expensive than maybe using your phone or whatever, but if you want to take it one step further, you can assemble something like this. So does it work? Well, we can try it out. I can turn it on, of course, and we'll see. Yeah, let's try to record this one. Put on the record button here, and action. Yeah, so I really recommend you to maybe put in the screen if you are watching my eyes right now. I am watching myself because I want to see if I am in focus, so I'm watching the screen, so that will be very distracting for the viewer. So I really recommend you to put it in there so that you focus on the lens, which is the right place to look when you are vlogging, right? So it worked. I see that we have a little too much light here, but well, this was just for showing an example. So okay, it worked. I'll turn it off right now, and if you like this kind of content and if you like this video, please feel free to hit that like button, and of course if you want to see more from this channel in the future, you can also hit the subscribe button if you want. It's of course all up to you. And yeah, that was all I had today, and hope I see you next time.